Recording it is rolling. It is Friday, February 3rd. So we're gonna go over the answers with you guys to that practice exam you guys been doing past couple of days. This will probably take today, Monday, Tuesday, I think, based on how it's taught in the past. I know some of you guys did it on paper. So if you did it on paper, then just have that out and score yourself as you're going along. And I'll have you guys turn that in again, probably by the end of the day, Tuesday, and then I'll get your score. I'll put it in the grade book like I normally put in FRQs. I'll put it in the score, but I'll make it not count towards your class grade so that you'll have it there for your own record. Okay? But as long as so you did it, either here, if you already turned it in AP Classroom, then I'll give you guys some points for doing it. If you did it on paper, then just make sure you turn in the paper version that scored, and then I'll give you guys points that way. Okay. Now I've opened up a bunch of stuff on AP Classroom. Only one of these actually has a due date on it. The others are just open-ended. They're like for your benefit, for your practice. So let's go through these. Practice exam, 5 FRQs. Now these are the ones we looked at yesterday. So we've answered those real fast just to see what they were. Right, those are open. Unit 1 and 2 progress check FRQ halves are open. So those are there. If you want to practice. You guys know we're about to like this next week and the week after go into Unit 2 review. Unit 2 is dynamic, deep solve motion, right, forces, that kind of thing. And the Unit 2 Part B, so progress check. I've got a tentative due date. This will probably be accurate. Not Monday in a few days, but the Monday after. So Monday, February 13th. Right. So I think that Monday, a couple Mondays from now, we'll go over those in class. So if you have those like by the time you come to class, so be like 8:30 that morning. Probably gonna do like over the weekend. Talent show tonight. I know some of you guys are participating in talent show, and then I've got a band after school. I'm helping well, I mean, I'm not playing with the band, but helping them put songs together. So that is a crowd in the auditorium. So like how many guys in here are participating or playing something? Or let's see something. Yeah. All right, and then all right, so here's the top scientist for the practice exam that we're about to look at the solutions are. Now, of course, if you did it on paper, then they don't have your score, obviously. But yeah, but if you submitted it on AP Classroom, now it did close at 11:45 last night, just like I told you guys. But I'll go and open it probably before the day ends today. So if you hadn't finished it or if you accidentally didn't hit submit or if you only got half of it done for whatever reason, so I'll open that up later. But yeah, awesome job if you were on this list. If you're on this list, you are paced to pass the AP exam, just by looking at the numbers. Of course, you still have to remember this was only half the exam. The other half are the 5 FRQs, of course, right? The 3 students up here with stars next to a name, you almost passed the entire exam just on multiple choice alone, which you can't do. Like if you get all the multiple choice questions right, you pass the exam without ever touching the FRQs, right? And these 3 students here, not quite there, but like right, like almost there. Just like passing the whole thing with just the multiple choice. All right. Oh yeah.
To pass with this multiple choice, you get a 100%.
No. Okay. So you guys know there's like 50 multiple choice questions. All right. So it's a little bit different every year. So there's no like hard set number, but based on what it's seen past a couple of years, if you get like I think 35 points. So if you get 35 out of the 50, then that puts you like right at a 3. Yeah. So nobody scored quite that high, but yeah, like so some of you guys are getting pretty close up there. Yeah, so yeah, it's split half between multiple choice and FRQs. Right. Yeah, so great question there. Yeah, so again, aim for 35 just to pass, and then there's a yeah, of course you could go for a 4 or 5 AP score. You have to get higher than that, of course. Okay. All right, so any questions before I flip over and start over solutions? All right, let's do it. Let's flip over and go over AP solutions.